Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. You guys requested a dance tutorial on how to do the knee slapper from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you Si Les Deseo un buen día for being the first one to request it. Alright, so let's jump right into it. So the dance is 2 times 8 counts. And it's on and count, so it's just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is say jump, jump on my left. Yeah, my right is going up like that. So I'm saying jump up, 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 6, 7, 8, up, up. And notice I'm kind of starting here, facing the corner, and then I'm turning more to my right side on the second. Yeah, so I'm saying up here. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up here. My arm is saying up, sweep. Up, sweep. Up, sweep. So together it looks like this. Up, sweep. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep. Okay, so we just did up, sweep. Here, I want to take down my right, take out my left on my heel. Yeah, my right is on flat foot, left is on my heel. And it's more like a jump. So I'm jumping down instead of saying down, down. I'm saying down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. From here, I want to go back up, so I'm jumping again on my left, pulling my right knee up, just like we did before. So I came from here, down, and then back up. Now I want to go back down, up, the same, left on my heel, right on flat foot. So I just did up, sweep, down, up, down. So the arms are saying up, sweep, left, right in front of my chest here. Then I'm just taking both of them in here. And then out. Yeah, so let's say up, sweep, down, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, down. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, down. So we just did up, sweep, and down, up, down. From here, I want to jump on my left, here, whoop, and then I'm gonna say kick with my right, down on my right, left, in. So again, I was down here, I'm saying left, kick, right, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, kick, down, down. And it's more like a jump, jump, and in. And so I'm basically doing 2 jumps, jump, jump, in. 5, 6, 7, jump, and in. So let's try again slowly. Here, whoop, kick, right, left. 5, 6, 7, 8, left. Kick, right, in. Now the arms are saying, whoop, I was here. Now I'm gonna say down. So again from here, I'm doing whoop, tap, and tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wah, tap, tap. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Wah, tap, tap. Okay, so let's try from the tip, top. So quick recap, we're going up, sweep, down, up, down, kick, in. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick, in. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, kick it in. Alright, so we did up, sweep, down, kick it in. From here, I actually forgot to mention that you're actually looking down on your microphone here. So from here, my legs are gonna go left, going out, in, to the front on my heel, and again on my heel, I'm taking it slightly back here. So again from here, I'm going out, in, in. And notice that here, I'm still looking down, and here I'm looking back up, and at the same time also leaning a bit back. Whoop, here. So again here, out, in, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, in, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, in. Now the arms are saying out with my microphone, in with my microphone, hold my microphone still, yeah, and then I start dropping it once I go in here. So from here, 7, 8, out, in, up, drop, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, in, front, back, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, in, front, back, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, in, front, back. Now for the next part, you want to take out your left here to the side, yeah, right side bend, and you're kind of leaning here to the side. Now you want to take in your left and then pull out your right on your heel. So I was here, I'm doing switch here, back, here, switch, here, back, here, switch, here, back, here, switch, here. So let's just do the legs slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Top and top and top. 5, 6, 7, top and top and top. Now when you do it fast, it's more like a jump. So I'm saying step out with my left, and then I'm saying jump, jump. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Top, jump, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Top, jump, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Top, jump, jump. So the arms are saying my drop, then the left one goes up, the right one is here behind me. Now I'm saying a bit to the front here with my right, and then I'm saying left down, right up. So run, here, up. Run, here, up. Again, run, here, up. Now with the legs, run, here, up. Again, slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Run, here, up. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Run, here, up. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Run, here, up. Alright, so let's take it from the tip to the top. Quick recap, we're going up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, out, in, microphone, drop, run, switch, switch. Again, slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, out, in, microphone, drop, out, switch, switch. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, out, in, microphone, drop, out, switch, switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, out, in, mic, drop, switch, switch, switch. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, kick it, in, mic, drop, out, switch, switch. So we just said out, switch, and switch. From here, I'm gonna jump on my right, and at the same time also turning, and at the same time pulling my left leg up like that. So from here, like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. So up from here, I want to bring it down like that. Notice it's on my heel, left is on my heel, right on flat foot, slightly bend here. So I was here, we'll say jump, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, down. My left arm is saying slap, slapping here at the side, to my knee, slap up, and then bring it down. My arm is still up here, so let's try from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, down. Now from here, I want to say left is going back, right is going out. I'm prepping for the next move. So again from here, left, back, right, out. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, back, right, out. And it's more like a jump, so it's haha. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. From here, I want to jump on my left, bringing my right knee up like that. So I was here, now I'm going up. Yes, so we're saying jump, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, jump. So from here, up, down, jump, jump. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, down, jump, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, down, jump, jump. Before I was here, up, now I'm going to do the opposite, here, here. So from here, most of my weight is on my left, jumping on my left, switching to my right, right. So it's whoop, down from here, up, up. Let's just practice that from here, boom, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, up, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, out, up. And the arms are saying out, touch, out, touch. So first my left is up, right is down, whoop. Now I'm doing opposite, right is up, left is down, whoop. So boom, tap, boom, tap. So let's take it back from here, each left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Knee down and switch, jump, switch, jump. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slap, down, switch, and switch, and. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slap, down, switch, and switch, and. Alright, so let's take it from the tip to the top with the new part. Quick recap, we're going up, sweep, down, kick it, in, mic, drop, out, and switch, switch, slap, down, prep, jump, prep, jump. A bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, kick it, in, mic, drop, out, switch, knee, down, prep, jump, prep, jump. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, kick it, in, mic, drop, out, switch, knee, down, prep, jump, prep, jump. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, out, in, mic, drop, out, switch, switch, knee, down, prep, jump, jump.